Hello, and welcome to another edition of Coffee Talk with immigration attorney Brian D. Lerner. We are talking in this set of videos more on consulate processing through the National Visa Center and through the various consulates around the U.S. Um, as you can see, there are quite a few videos I've already done on this subject, but since pretty much anyone who comes into the U.S. has to go to a U.S. consulate, it does have quite a bit of information in order to help you with what needs to be done. So this particular video will have to do with going to the web, the internet, to get various sources of information to help you. Now, obviously, getting an immigration attorney knowledgeable in this area is the best. But if you can't afford one, then here's some information for you. There are lots of regulations in consulate processing, and you can find various instructive manuals on this. For example, the Department of State Foreign Affairs Manual can be located at www.state.gov/m/a/d/reg/m. Now, I know that that's a lot of slashes, but go ahead and email me if you want the direct site to that. And the Foreign Affairs Manual is basically all the regulations that govern the Department of State. Now, you can also get, and I think actually better than me just giving the sites here, I'll tell you what sites exist, and then go ahead and email me if you want the direct links. But you can actually also get the direct links to chief consular officers. So if you have a problem with your case, or if there are some issues that need to be resolved, you can get a direct connection to the chief consulate officer. Here's a site that I can actually give you easily. The Department of State website is state.gov or travel.state.gov, and that'll be able to get you to all the U.S. consulates around the world. The visa bulletin, that basically tells you when something's current, when the petition is current, or about how long you have to wait. Give me an email, and I'll shoot me off an email or a Skype. My Skype ID is Brian D. Lerner, and I'll let you know what where the visa bulletin is located. And then there's various immigration interpretations and releases. One's from Benders, and others from interpreter releases, and others from Westlaw. So you can get all of those. So as you can see, lots of different areas that you'll be able to go on. Okay, more in the coming videos.